Hi there, you're in the lab with your mate JJ. Today is unboxing day. I'm going to show you two things that have arrived recently. I already did the mail call for them. They're here. They're pretty simple. It's a small set of metal spudgers and some plastic spudgers. So I thought I might show you the web page where I got them. I got them from AliExpress. And then once we've had a look at them on the computer, I'll pop you over to the bench and I'll show you what arrives. So here on the computer. Now I got the 3-pack here. 1, 2, 3. Just metal spudgers. It's called the Universal Phone Repair Tools Kit, Disassembly Blades, Pry Opening Tool, Metal Crowbar, Disassemble Kit, Phone, Spatula, Hand Tool Set. So I call them metal spudgers. And then I've got this other one, which is the the S2 Precision Screwdriver Set for mobile phones, notebooks and computers, perfect for small maintenance and disassembly. And there's the 21-piece set, the 26-piece set, and the 33-piece set. Let me just check, hang on a sec. Okay, yes, I got the 33-piece set, so I assume that's what we'll be looking at now over on the bench. So let's jump over to the bench and have a look at these things. Alright, here we are on the bench. And first things first, these are the metal spudgers. Now I don't think I'm really going to need the container that they come in. What am I going to do with this? I'll put it somewhere. Yeah, so these are the metal spudgers. Got some flat ones, got some curvy ones, got a pointy one. So yeah, pretty happy with those. And here's the big 33-piece set that has everything in it. Just trying to get that open here. There we go. Alright. So they give you these suction cups so that you can stick them on a phone screen and then pull it to lift it off. You have to heat it as well, I suppose. I've never done that. Don't know. Now there's a little precision screwdriver set, which is pretty cool. A lot of screwdrivers here. Ah. Alright. So those are a bonus. I really bought this for the spudgers. Oh, there's some plastic tweezers, very good. And here's our various spudgers. Look at that. There's all different types. Oh look, there's a metal one as well. Great big flat thing. Same again. It's a big sort of, and it's angled on the end, so you can get in there and lift things off. I've already got one of these. I don't know exactly what you use it for. What do you use that for? I'm not sure. Another screwdriver. Now these, they look like guitar picks. I was never sure what to call them. So I just called them box openers. You see I've got my box openers here. In there. So I'll add these to my box openers, and I might as well chuck in. These are obviously SIM card removers, so that you can remove the SIM card from a phone, which is good. So here's our plastic spudgers. Look at that. So you can see all the different types. Heaps of them. Yes. So there's my new metal spudgers and my new plastic spudgers. I've got some tweezers here. Extra metal spudger there as well. And then this sort of collection of screwdrivers. So yes, that was all that this video was. Just a quick look at the spudgers. I'll send you over to the farewell cam and we'll wrap up. And that's a wrap. So yeah, just a really quick video today just to show you the new Spudgers. I got some metal ones and I got some plastic one. It was the 33-piece set from AliExpress. So yeah, pretty happy to have my new Spudgers. I'm waiting on a few of these wire mesh cup holders to arrive. Not cup holders, what am I talking about? These things, these square containers. I've got 5 more of them coming in. That's what I'll be keeping my Spudgers in. So I haven't actually got the storage to put this away properly yet, but soon I will. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks very much for watching, and please remember to hit like and subscribe.